In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Monday.com board to Excel. To get started, open Monday.com and navigate to the specific board you want to export. Make sure you're on the correct board before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple boards with similar names or projects. Taking a second to confirm this now can help you avoid exporting the wrong data and having to repeat the process later. Once you have the right board open, look near the board name for the three-dot menu. This is the menu that contains additional options and settings related to that board. Go ahead and click it to open the dropdown. Depending on your view or account layout, the exact wording inside this menu may vary slightly, but the overall process stays the same. From that menu, look for an option labeled More Actions or Export. In some cases, you may need to hover over one menu item to reveal another submenu. Take your time here and read through the available options carefully so you can find the export setting without clicking something unrelated. When you see the option to export, choose Export Board to Excel. This tells Monday.com to create a spreadsheet version of your board data that you can save and review outside the platform. This can be useful for reporting, backups, offline access, or sharing the board content in a format that's easy to open and edit in spreadsheet software. After selecting the export option, give Monday.com a moment to prepare the file. The amount of time this takes can depend on how much data is in the board. Smaller boards may process almost instantly, while larger boards with lots of columns, items, or updates may take a little longer. If nothing appears immediately, just wait a few seconds and let the system finish generating the export. Once the file is ready, download the Excel file to your computer. Be sure to save it somewhere easy to find, such as your downloads folder or a project-specific folder, especially if you'll need to reference it again later. Finally, open the downloaded file and check that the board data exported correctly. Review the rows, columns, and values to make sure everything looks complete and organized as expected. If something seems missing or formatted differently than you anticipated, it may help to go back to the board and repeat the export after confirming you selected the correct board and export option. And that's how to export a Monday.com board to Excel.